Believe me when I tell you I am back with another interesting recipe that will blow your mind. On this video, I'm going to show you how I made this plantain and almond bread. If you're interested, watch to the end. So I am starting out by peeling my unripe plantain. Once I'm done peeling this plantain, I will chop it into smaller sizes, wash it neatly, and put it into the blender and blend it very smooth. One thing about me, I love to try new things. Whenever I see new recipes like this, or more, if you get to do with kitchen, I go try them more. So I went in with 2 eggs, half cup of milk, and then I added dates, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Cover it and blend it very smooth. If you are the type that love to try new things, try this. You are going to fall in love with it. If you are the type that has been restricted from eating our regular bread, try this. You are going to fall in love with it. Like, it's been long I ate our regular bread, or more healthy eating won't carry me go. So I transfer it into my bowl. Next, I went in with my almond flour. I already showed you guys how to make your own almond flour. You don't need to buy from the market. So this one is the one I made the other time I posted the video. I'm going to mix it up nicely. Now tell me where you're watching this video from, so that on my next video I'm going to send you a hug. And if you try this recipe, please come back and drop your comment in the comment section, because I would really love to read your review. So we are done mixing it up. This is what we want to see. This is the texture we want to see. Next, I will transfer it into my buttered pan. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it so that it gets a wider audience, more especially people that want to see such videos. Next, I'm going to finish it up with a little bit of almond seed on top of it, which is totally optional. If you don't have almond seed, feel free to bake it just like that. So I place it in the pan. I added water on the pan as well, and then I bake it for 200 degrees under 20 minutes. Guys, take a look at this. The result is absolutely amazing. It really blew my mind. I was not expecting it to come out this way, but it came out very nice. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you are going to try? Take a look at this. This is so beautiful, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this bread in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, help me to share it too, so that a lot of people will see this beautiful recipe right here. So my special hug today goes to Jennifer, watching me all the way from America. Thank you so much for watching my video. I can't end the video without testing it in front of you guys. So I added butter on it, and the result was beautiful, guys. The taste is really amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. Now, are you going to try it as well? Let me know in the comment section.